Tip 1. Skewered eggs. First, I prepare 4 fresh chicken eggs. I crack the eggs into a large bowl. Then use a spoon to carefully separate the yolks into 4 small bowls. Next, I place a skillet on the stove, add a little butter, then use a spoon to spread it evenly over the entire surface of the skillet. Once the pan is hot, I place 2 skewers on the pan and gently pour 2 egg yolks onto one end of each skewer. To make the dish more appealing, I sprinkle a little sesame seeds over the surface of the yolks. Then, I finely chop a few scallions and sprinkle a little on top. Finally, I sprinkled a little salt and a little of black pepper on top to enhance the flavor and complete the dish. Next, I cover the pan and fry over low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Are you wondering what I'll do with the remaining egg whites? Don't worry, we'll put them to good use to create an incredibly interesting dish later on. While waiting, I need to prepare 100 grams of cooked rice. I crack 2 eggs into a large bowl along with the rice. Then use a spoon to mix thoroughly, so each grain of rice is coated with a thin layer of egg. Place another pan on the stove and add a little cooking oil. I add the remaining scallions to the pan and stir until they release their aroma. At this point, I pour in the rice mixed with egg and stir evenly over medium heat. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. By now, 3 minutes have passed. I go back to check on the first batch. If you prefer your yolks more well done, use a spoon to gently flip the egg skewers and continue frying for a few more minutes. As for me, I really love the yolks soft and creamy with a slight runniness, so I turn off the heat right now and gently transfer the egg skewers to a plate. Look at that! The golden egg skewers, dotted with toasted sesame seeds and fresh green scallions, look absolutely delicious. This makes for a great snack when served with chili sauce or mayonnaise. Moving on to the second dish, I add about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and stir well to let the rice absorb the flavor. To add a little kick of flavor, I sprinkled in a bit of black pepper. Now, I'll gently mix everything together before transferring it to a plate, ready to be enjoyed. And there you have it, the second dish is complete. Simple, quick, yet incredibly delicious. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now let's move on to the egg whites. I use an electric mixer to whip the egg whites. However, you shouldn't whip them too stiff. Stop when you lift the whisk and the peak of the egg whites still curves down slightly, like this. Next, I prepare a large bowl and pour in about 30 milliliters of milk. I place a sieve over the bowl and sift in 30 grams of flour along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then, I use a whisk to stir until the flour and milk combine into a smooth mixture. Next, I fold the whipped egg whites into the batter in several batches, gently mixing them in. After each addition, I fold gently to maintain the light, fluffy texture. Once all the ingredients are well combined, I transfer the batter into a piping bag for easier shaping. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, I place a non-stick skillet on the stove, add a little cooking oil, and use a paper towel to spread it evenly across the surface, leaving only a very thin layer of oil. Then, I gently pipe small portions of the batter directly into the pan, creating cute little pancakes. Cover with a lid and cook over low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. When the bottom is golden brown, I gently flip the pancakes and continue cooking for another 3 minutes until both sides are evenly cooked. When the time is up, I transfer the pancakes to a plate. Just look at them. The pancakes are as soft and fluffy as clouds, lightly golden on the outside, but still moist and tender on the inside. Finally, I drizzle a little honey over the top. If served with berries like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, these pancakes will be even more delicious and appealing. So, using just a few ordinary eggs, we've managed to create 3 completely different dishes. Which one is your favorite? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.